here we are given this function limit of 1 by x power 1 by 3 minus 1 by x minus 1 whole power 4 by 3. We have to find whether what happens to this limit when x tends to 0 plus 0 minus 1 plus 1 minus. Right. Now, if you carefully see here, x minus 1 is raised to 4 by 3. 4 is even. Right. So what does that mean? When x is around 1 or this is always positive. Right. This is always positive because whatever, even if it is x minus 1 is positive or negative, it is raised to even power. Right. It is raised to even power, so it is always positive. Okay, so when x is greater than 1, less than 1, greater than 0, less than 0, it is always positive. Here, what about this one, x power 1 by 3? It is positive when x is greater than 0, and when x is less than 0, it is negative. Right. So, for example, minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 or plus 1 whole power 1 by 3. Okay, now we are concerned about what happens to when x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus, so this is always positive. Right. What we have these two terms when we are talking about 0 plus. 0 plus, what will happen? This is positive. This is positive. Right. 0 plus, this is positive, and this is 1 by 0, which is equal to infinity, plus infinity. Right. Minus of 1 by 0 minus 1. This is minus 1, again whole power 4 by 3, which is equal to plus 1, plus infinity minus 1. So this is equal to plus infinity only. 0 plus, right? 0 plus, this is positive, and this is equal to 1. This is when you replace x with 0, this becomes minus 1, minus 1 whole power 4 by 3. This is anyway 1, so 1 by 1 here, infinity minus 1. So this is actually infinity. 0 plus is infinity. What happens to 0 minus? 0 minus, then this is minus infinity, right? This is 1 by negative 0. 1 by very small number, 1 by kind of minus 0 point something something something, right? So then this is minus infinity again, minus infinity minus 1. This is anyway, it is still 1, right? This is always positive, so this becomes minus 1. So this is minus infinity. When limit x tends to 0 minus is minus infinity. Okay, what happens to limit x tends to 1 plus? 1 plus here, this is equal to 1. 1 by 1 power 1 by 3 minus this becomes 1 by roughly 0, right? 0.000 something, right? And this power 4 by 3, this is still positive, right? This is always positive, right? So 1 by 1 plus 0, 1 by 0 kind of thing, this becomes 1 minus infinity, which is equal to minus infinity, right? Similarly, when x tends to 1 minus, it is again still positive. This becomes 1 by minus 0.0000 something whole power 4 by 3, right? This is still positive. So 1 minus, what we get? This 1 minus 1 by some small positive quantity. Some small positive quantity like 0. So 1 minus infinity again. This is equal to minus infinity. Right, guys? That's how we are checking what we are doing when x equals to 0, 0 plus and 0 minus. Both these cases, how they are behaving. Right. Similarly, 1 plus and 1 minus, how these are behaving. So this is an even power here. Right. This is an even power here. So whatever is inside, this is always be positive. Right, guys? But here is an odd power. Right, x power m by n, m is odd. Right, in this case, m is odd. Right. And in this case, um, m is even. That's the difference. Right. So for example, minus 1 power 1 by 3. This is equal to minus 1. Right, this is what? Cube root of minus 1, right? Cube root of minus 1 is still minus 1. Whereas this one, minus 1 power 4 by 3. That means minus 1 power 1 by 3 whole power 4, which is equal to minus 1 whole power 4, which is equal to 1. Right. So this is always positive, and this depends on the sign of x. Right, guys? Thank you.